In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo in your Shopify theme. Whether you're setting up a new online store or simply looking to refresh your brand image, updating your logo is a straightforward process that can make a big impact. Let's walk through these steps together. First, you'll need to start from the Shopify homepage. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand side of the menu and locate the Online Store option. Click on it. This will bring up a list of options where you'll see Themes. Here, you'll be able to customize the look and feel of your online store. Next, find the Customize button. It'll be right next to your current theme. Clicking on Customize opens up the theme editor. This is where you can make various adjustments to the visual elements of your store, including changing the logo. Once inside the theme editor, focus your attention on the header section. Look for and click on Header. This is, essentially, the top section of your web page where your logo will be displayed. In the Header section, scroll down to find Theme Settings. Clicking on this will give you different options related to the overall design and layout features for the theme you're working on. Under these settings, you'll have a Logo area where you can make your change. Now, it's time to choose your new logo. There will be a button labeled Select, which allows you to upload a file. Clicking on Select will present you with a few options. You can either choose an existing file already uploaded or add a new file from your device. If you're looking to add a new logo, simply click on Add Files. This action will prompt a dialog box to open, allowing you to browse through your device. Navigate to where your new logo file is saved and select it. Make sure that your file is in a suitable format, like JPEG or PNG, and that it follows the size recommendations provided by Shopify for optimal display quality. After selecting your new logo file, click on Done to save the changes. This will update your store's header with the new logo. Be sure to review how the logo fits and appears, and make adjustments as necessary to ensure it aligns perfectly with the rest of your website layout. And that's it. In just a few steps, you have a refreshed storefront that better represents your brand. Refresh your browser to see the changes live and continue enhancing the overall aesthetic of your Shopify store. Thanks for following along, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.